Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 essential tips for personal finance that you simply can't afford to miss. So, grab a pen and paper because these tips are going to change your life. Tip 1. Create a budget. By tracking your income and expenses, you'll have a clear understanding of where your money is going. Allocate your funds wisely, setting aside money for savings, investments, and emergencies. Remember, a budget is not about restricting yourself, but about prioritizing your financial goals. Tip 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a hard look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can minimize. Do you really need that daily gourmet coffee? Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Tip 3. Prioritize debt repayment. High-interest debts can be a major drain on your finances. Focus on paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first, and once you've cleared those, tackle the next one. The sooner you become debt-free, the better off you'll be. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Tip 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and having a safety net will give you peace of mind. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Remember, it's better to be prepared than caught off guard. Tip 5. Invest wisely. Take advantage of compound interest by investing in your future. Whether it's through stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts, make sure you conduct thorough research and seek professional guidance to maximize your returns. Tip 6. Diversify your income. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky. Explore different ways to supplement your earnings, such as freelancing, starting a side business, or investing in passive income streams. Multiple income streams will provide you with added financial security. Tip 7. Set realistic goals. Determine what you want to achieve financially and create a roadmap to get there. Set specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals smart. This will keep you motivated and accountable throughout your journey. Tip 8. Continuously educate yourself. Stay up to date with the ever-changing financial landscape. Read books, listen to podcasts, and take online courses to expand your financial knowledge. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Tip 9. Protect your assets. Insurance is an essential part of personal finance. Whether it's health insurance, life insurance, or property insurance, make sure you have adequate coverage in place. Don't leave your financial future vulnerable to unexpected events. Tip 10. Celebrate milestones. Recognize and celebrate your achievements along the way. Paying off a debt, reaching a savings goal, or making a successful investment, these milestones should be acknowledged and celebrated. It will keep you motivated and eager to reach even greater heights. And there you have it, 10 game-changing tips for personal finance that you can't afford to miss. Take action, implement these strategies, and watch your financial life transform. Remember, building a strong financial foundation requires discipline and consistency. So go out there and make your money work for you. Until next time.